Hi everyone, hi, how you been doing? Hope you've been great. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about braid. So guys, I'm gonna braid my hair by myself. As you can see, I've already separated my hair. I've put them in a smaller section with the help of a rubber band. So you can see I didn't wanted to do this on camera, so I had to do it off camera. So I have about 47 little sessions that will enable me to manage to braid my hair effectively. So if you're someone that doesn't knows how to braid, and you know it's gonna be difficult while like trying to get that beautiful like part that you really want, all you need is using a tiny rubber band to like help you to separate it, to hold it very tight from the roots. So in this video I'll be using a pre-stretch hair expression for my braid. I don't know if you've seen my last video. My last video I took off my braid. I did that braid by myself, but I didn't record it. So I decided to like, okay, now that I'm going on braid again, I got to record this one because I'm gonna do it by myself, you know. And to be fair, I think it's the second time I've braided my hair. I've never like thought about doing it by myself. You know, I always thought maybe it's like kind of difficult, complicated, and I just like, okay, always going on with my natural hair, but I just got bored of like being like this every time, month to month, year to year. So I just needed something that would like brighten me up, a bit of change. Does it hurt anyone? So guys, let me jump into it. Like I said, I'm using a pre-stretch hair expression kanekalon, and you can see I'm gonna be using 3 pack of this. I got 3 pack of it, and I got some hair accessories as well that will make my hair bubble. Okay guys, so guys, just keep on watching. Let me quickly say this: if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smack that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Just keep on watching till the end. First, before I start, I will just go ahead and twist this part and take it out of the way because I don't want any hair distracting or disturbing me while I'm trying to braid my hair. And let me quickly say this: I'm not taking off the rubber band. Some people do take it off, but I'm not taking mine off because I know I'm gonna be more confident, like more confident when I'm like braiding my hair. You know, it's like I said, it's gonna make it more neat, and that's why I'm not gonna take it off. So guys, like I said, I'll just put this aside just to make it a bit helpful. Okay guys, as you can see, I have 3 sections here, so I'm starting from the bottom. This is gonna really help me while I braid. So I'll put this aside. Yeah, let's see how this goes. So I'm using this Vaseline just to give it a bit of shine, you know. I don't want it to be all over the places. And you see guys, it's bubbling. I'm just loving it. I'm just loving it, really. You can see this is how it is. I'm just loving it. Oh, it's gonna be it's giving guys, it's giving. Can't you see? It's just giving. Okay, enough of all the talk. Let me just go ahead and start braiding. Okay. guys, time to review my hair, guys. Let's see how it looks. So guys, this is the next day. I've already add mousse to my hair to make it sleep. Like I also added it in hot water just to achieve this tip. You can see how it is. Look at the back. Look at how it is with the accessories and all. You can see how beautiful it is. This probably would cost about £80 here in England, like at least where I live. To make just braid just like this, it costs about £70-80. So I just did it myself, and that's the advantage of like trying to practice at home. You can see how it looks, guys. I'm really loving it. I'm really loving it. It's giving the vibe, summer vibe. You can see the color is just popping. I just love it, really. Let me turn around. Let me give it about 360 degrees for you guys to see. You can see the length. It's super amazing how I did this. This cost about £80, darling. It cost about £80, and I just saved myself the cash. And to be fair, I'm not gonna spend £80 to braid my hair. To be fair, really, I know people that they do spend that kind of amount, and kudos to them. They have it, and it's good to them. Okay, so I'm not judging anyone, but this is me. So I tried to line my edges. I tried my best to add a bit of edge control here. So it's not that bad, as you can see. So it's not that really bad. It's just giving summer is here. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you have succeeded in like watching to this time, please just go ahead, and if you haven't subscribed, just go ahead and subscribe to your sis. Turn on the notification bell for more videos. I really appreciate you all. Thank you. Bye bye for now. Bye.